Welcome to Buy the Best Thing channel. Hey everyone. In this video, we're going to take a look at the top 5 best kids robots currently on the market. We get started with our video. We have included a link in the description box for each product mentioned. So make sure you check out to see which is your budget range. Number 1, Misa is the next generation social family robot. Smart, interactive, and uniquely mobile. Misa can play with your children, handle your schedule, and keep your home safe. Misa will blend right into your family as a friend, teacher, companion, cameraman, homemaker, entertainer and more, with his unique personality and playful nature. It interacts with the world around him, making him a helpful, fun and unforgettable addition to any household. Number 2, ALLCELE. This cute and funny robot is designed in 2 parts. The upper part is a cute robot with a pair of LED eyes and the gesture can be adjusted. The bottom part is a pair of tank tracks. Besides, we adopted exquisite packaging for this robot. It will be a great birthday or Christmas gift for your kids. Robot size 4.93 x 4.7 inches. Multifunction robot. LED eyes will light up once you turn on the robot. You can also close the door. Let it blink by remote voice function. Turn on the robot, it will start talk with you in his own language. Number 3, ClicBot robot manages to thread that needle so well it should be on the wish list of every techy kid's parents. It's easy to learn, versatile, has a ton of replay value, is educational and can grow with your kids' interest, knowledge and skills. What other single toy can check all those boxes? ClicBot is aimed at kids age 8 and up, though there's enough sophistication here that it'll engage geeky adults as well, whether or not they have kids. I left my childhood years behind a long time ago, and I can see myself playing with ClicBot for quite some time to come. If ClicBot has one Achilles heel, its cost. You can get it in a variety of bundles, but none are particularly inexpensive. Number 4, Dog Robo. The robotic puppy toy will attract your attention like a real dog. If you haven't chosen any function after turn on, the smart puppy will do some stunt actions and make the dog voice like, woof, to remind you to play with it. Meanwhile, if you touch its chin, the electronic dog will respond you by voice and actions. Intelligent programmable TOY, you can program the robot dog to perform according to your demands and then it will play back your demand like forward plus push plus sit down plus dancing or other actions. The smart dog will record up to 100 commands. It will help your kids use their imagination and creativity to practice simply programming. Number 5, Makeblock Robo. While there's certainly joy in a child ripping open a box and immediately playing with whatever treasured toy is within, there's also a pleasure in building something amazing from pieces. With the Makeblock MBot, what your child builds can come to life as a pretty awesome little machine. The MBot isn't the only DIY, coding-centric robot kit on the market designed for young minds and STEM-focused parents, but the relative ease of build and use, not to mention the reasonable price point, make it a compelling option.
If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel and like our video.